Hey everyone, I'm up here at the sawmill, and this morning here I want to show you log scale for when you're buying or selling logs. You can measure them and tell how many feet's in them. And this thing here, you just buy these at about any logging shop or anywhere like that, and it'll be the Doyle log scale, and it folds up like this. It folds up and you just unfold it. And what it is, it's got a hook on this end that you can hook it on the log, but I don't do that. They measure it inside the bark, and it's 4 foot long. You can measure the length of your there's 47, there's 48 inches the length of it, and you can measure your logs out, the length of them too. And how you use it is you take this here and say this log's 8 foot long. You take it right here and you measure it inside the bark. Okay, and say we got 16 inches that way. Then I'll measure it this way too, and we got 15 inches this way. Some mills will give you a little extra, or some mills will just give you the short way on it, the 15-inch way. I'll just explain to you how to do it on the 15 inches. But if you measure inside the bark, you got to be inside this bark ring, inside the bark to right there to inside the bark over here. So let's see, inside the bark to inside the bark is about 16 inches. Okay, and it's 8 foot long. You look over here, this is your length of your logs. There's 10 foot, 8 foot, 18 foot, and you flip it over and it's got 12 foot, 14 foot, and 16 foot. And the way you do an 8 foot one is you divide that in half. At 16, you go up here to that top run, you come down here and you got 144 feet in a 16 foot log. So you divide that in half, so that's going to be 72 feet is how many log feet you have in that log. Now of course, on the log feet, this Doyle log scale was set up for a circular saw. So the circular saw takes out more dust out of the log when you're sawing it than a band mill does. When you saw this, you should come out with some little more footage with a band mill than what the actual, this is basically for selling them, what they give you on the log prices, the footage wise. Okay, and let's do another one here. Come up here and look at this. Say if you're going to do a 10 foot log, and that 10 foot log is say it's 14 inches, you come right here at your length here and on the other side. It's got the lengths too. And a 14-inch log at 10 foot long is going to have 62 feet in it. Okay, let's go over here. But like I say, on the 8 foot logs, you always divide that 16 in half, whatever the length of it is. That's about it on this. And you can measure the length. You can put it on the end. That's 4 foot, 8 foot, and this is about 8 inches over. For a tie length, your tie lengths have to be 8'8", 8'10", in that area. For on the bottom is ties. They won't buy 8'2" or 8'4" for a tie. It has to be 8'8" or something like that, So, but we got them. We've got a few 10 footers here. I've got to saw these up into lumber for a customer. But that's how you do that's how you measure your log footage in a log. So, have a good day.